Hello everyone! In this video, let's learn how to calculate and display the elapsed time since a record was added. Let's understand this requirement using an event management application. This is the registration form and its corresponding report. The goal here is to display the added time of a record in elapsed time format whenever a button is clicked in the report. To achieve this, let's first create a button in this view. Access the editor. Go to the Attendees report and navigate to Actions under the Quick View tab. Click Add New Action for Single Record, and give your action item a name and name the workflow. Proceed to create the workflow, and then choose Deluge Script to define the logic. To save time, we've pasted the code. Let's walk through the logic behind it. Here, we're calculating the time difference in seconds. First, we are defining all the variables here. The function subtracts the input.added time from the current time, returning the result in milliseconds. Dividing it by 1,000 converts it to seconds. And floor usually rounds it down to a whole number. Next, we convert seconds to minutes and minutes to hours by dividing by 60. To find the remaining minutes, we use the modulo operator percentage, which returns the remainder after division. For instance, if we have 125 total minutes, 2 full hours accounts for 120 minutes, leaving 5 remaining minutes. Similarly, we convert the total hours into days and use modulo again to calculate remaining hours after full days are taken into account. Next, we use the if-else condition. If the total days is less than or equal to 0, then the function displays the hours and the remaining minutes. If the record was added more than a day ago, it displays the number of days and hours instead. Finally, we use the info task to fetch the elapsed time of the record and display it as a log message. Click Save and close the builder. The button has been created and the workflow is defined. Now, let's add this button to the report. Click Configure Fields for Web, then select and add the button we just created. Now let's access the application and see how this works. And there we go. Clicking the button shows the added time of the record in elapsed time format as a log message. You may also add the same button to the detailed view based on your requirement. We've come to the end of this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.